Hello, in this video we're gonna talk about how to make use of the quality assessment layers which are found in any Landsat 8 or 7 image. For example, there is a Landsat 8 image. We have the usual bands 1 to 7 in addition to these three ones which are the quality assessment layer. First one is called Pixel QA, second one is Landsat QA, third one is aerosol. You can find information in them regarding the quality of each pixel. For example, what pixel contains cloud or cloud shadow or water or aerosols and so on. The most important ones are Pixel QA and the aerosol. If we open any of them here in the ArcMap, you can find that each of them is just contains integer values, not decimal. And actually, if you look into the manual of the Landsat 8, you can find what each values of these integer values means. But you have first to decode these numbers into binary numbers, and each bit address or bit location means something. So we don't need to do this manually because there is a tool which is developed by people at Landsat. It works, or you can open it in the ArcGIS also. Here is the link of it. I will leave it at the description. So you can select this one. This is the one that works in ArcGIS, and let's wait. You can press here. It will redirect you to the GitHub website. This is the tool website, and press download here. I already downloaded it, so I will cancel here and I will go and open it from the ArcMap. You can go to the location which you downloaded it to. Here's the location, and it will be saved here inside this toolbox. So you will find actually that there are two tools. The first one is called Decode QA, and the second one is called Extract QA bands. The first one is it just does what I just mentioned before. It transforms these integer numbers into binary numbers, and then classify each of these layers into what it consists of. So for example, let's try the first one, which is Pixel QA. Double click here, select this layer, but you can select what appears in the table of contents. So we will go to its place. Okay, this is the one. It will automatically fill these areas that I'm using Landsat 8, and the layer name is Pixel underscore QA. If you check this box, it will remove anything that is low. For example, if a pixel contains low cloud, it will remove it from the classification. So you press OK. What it will do is that it will change this layer. Actually, it won't create a new layer, so you have to be careful with this. As you see, for example, this color represents the clear cells. This represents water. This one represents the cloud shadow, and this represents the cloud, and so on. So having done this, you might actually think, is there's any tool that can extract each of these values alone? And this actually exists. Here's a new tool which is called extract QA bands. Does this. You have to select this layer again, the pixel QA layer, and you have to choose which of these values you want to extract into a separate layer. So for example, I want to extract the cloud layer. You can extract multiple values. Also, if you are selecting multiple values, you can press or select this box of combine. It will create only one layer, and it will contain zeros or ones. The zero cells implies that in this location or in this pixel there is nothing of what you selected here, and if it's one, it implies that there is something of what you have selected here. Okay, so I will go with choosing one layer only, this cloud, or actually this picture contained no much cloud, so let's select the one for the water to compare the two. Okay, after that you need to choose output location. I'll put it in a new folder here. And press OK. Will take some time. Okay, it's done now, I hope. Yes. It doesn't show immediately here in the table of contents, so you have to select it from the folder you just created it in. Let's put it here. So you see now, this layer actually contains only zeros and ones. Zeros for any pixel that contains nothing, or the cells that doesn't contain water, sorry, and ones is the cells that contains water. If you look at the two images together, you can see that the pink color here is same as the ones here. Okay. Also, of course, you can, if you open this attribute table, you can find that the zeros count are this number and the ones count is this number. Okay, that's it. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe if you want to see more of this content, and goodbye.